If your driveway or patio is in need of a good clean, then you need to check this out. It's the Ryobi Easy Clean Power Washer, and it's perfect for everyday outdoor cleaning around the home, the garden and your vehicle. It puts out 22 bar of pressure, which is about 4 times what a normal garden hose will give you. So that's going to be more than powerful enough to actually lift off dirt, and with a flow rate of 182 litres an hour, it really is far more efficient, meaning it's going to massively speed up your outdoor cleaning. It's versatile too. There's a 3-in-1 nozzle at the end here that switches between turbo, 15-degree fan spray and a shower setting. Turbo is going to be perfect for those really tough dirt jobs, the fan spray is great for general cleaning, and the shower setting is most suited to rinsing off. That versatility extends to its water source too. It's got a 6-metre siphoning hose so you can pull water straight from a bucket, a water butt or even a lake if you're camping and without a tap. Of course, it does also connect straight to a normal garden hose for a constant supply as well. Either way, you're covered. And as an extra bonus, there's also a 2-litre bottle adapter, so if you want to run something smaller than that and you don't want to carry around a big bucket or a long hose, you can do that too. Now this is just one of over 200 tools in Ryobi's ONE Plus ecosystem, but what does that mean? Well, with the same battery you use to power this power washer, you can use it to power your other Ryobi tools as well, from your drill to your leaf blower, your sander and so many more, all without having to buy a different battery and charger. And if you buy from ITS today, we'll even throw in a battery and charger for free. It's the perfect time to get started with Ryobi. This is Ryobi's power washer, and it's available at its.co.uk.